Okay, so this is a demo of my radio-controlled volume setup. It's an in-progress thing, so it's nowhere near finished. So this is the remote, which is currently on an Arduino Uno, and as I turn this potentiometer, the volume will go up and down. Okay, so how this works is the Uno reads the potentiometer value through analog, which comes back as a value between 0 and 1023. It then maps it to 0 to 170, which becomes a nice value for the servo. It then transmits it over a radio frequency using this little doohickey over here, which is a 443 megahertz radio transmitter that I picked up off the internet, which I had to solder an antenna onto because the default range is quite poor, only a few centimeters. And down on my desk we have the Arduino Mega. You can see the radio receiver over there. That takes the 0 to 170 value and basically just gives it to the servo. The LED flashes on both devices when it's transmitting and receiving. So the servo itself is mounted on a little Lego thing I made, and using Velcro it's just stuck to the volume knob. I found this works quite well because, as you can see, I can just take it off and not use it. No tape, no mess or anything like that. But yeah, overall, the goal of this project is to eventually ditch the remote and be able to do it through a web app, but still wirelessly. So the idea is for the web app to communicate to a master device, which will then use the radio frequency to communicate to loads of different slave devices. For example, this one for volume, maybe another one for lights. But the idea is just a complete modular smart house type system that will be completely open and hackable in a sense.